My name is Margaret Arwadi, Nancy focal person for Umsati region. In terms of agricultural production in Umsati region, there has been a drastic increase in the use of agricultural mechanization, whereby government procured tractors with matching implements, weeding cultivator, hand-operated planter in order to increase food production and productivity. However, this was also complemented by involvement of private tractors, participated in government subsidy by providing agricultural subsidized services such as plowing, reaping and planting. The other thing is that NANSIP will also improve workload of the farmers by procuring modernized small equipment like weeding cultivators, hand-operated cultivators, vegetable seed drillers. So in Umsati region, we have received a number of farm machinery and equipment. We received 42 tractors with matching implements like mold board, tip trailer, chisel, weeding cultivators, mold board, and also cultivators.
My name is Maika Shilompoka. I am the Chief Agriculture Technician for Mahineni Crop Research Station. We produce various classes of seeds, such as foundation seeds, breeder seeds, and certified seeds. We had several challenges and setbacks when it comes to mechanization and also operation when it comes to seed production. Then we receive Nancy procured several tractors with matching equipment to the center, and those equipments really aided the seed production in the station to be very more successful.
These are seedlings. These seedlings will be evaluated to see whether the farmer, or let me say the seed grower, has passed germination test. We do the germination test to ensure that the farmers have produced a quality seed. We also do a moisture test, we do physical test, and then we do a seed health test just to see whether the seeds that were produced by our seed growers, by our research stations, and also the seeds that we import from other countries are of good quality. So after we have evaluated the seedlings, we see whether the farmer has passed or has failed. So what we do is, if the farmer did not score 85%, then that means it's a fail.
There are many implements that the farmer need, but this specific one is a boom sprayer on my left that we farmers will use to control weed and pest in our crops. So as you can see, we put in pesticides and herbicides in the boom sprayer to spray in the field. So one, we can have a clean, free weed field, and then we also control the pest in the crop that can damage the crop. This it's a 1,200 liter boom sprayer. It's called a boom sprayer because it's a boom because it's having the arm. It comes separate. It comes separate. Now at this point it's mounted on a tractor on a 3-point ring gauge with a PTO. The PTO, remember these things work on pressure. It's having a pump underneath. The tractor provides power to pump out the sprayer with a lot of pressure so that the chemical can enter the plant. So now what happened here is we fill it with water, and then we also now, as per the prescription of the pesticides and herbicides, we put in those components inside, and then we come in the field. This is what happened. This is a manual one here, so we have to open it manually, and you find some are automatic. So like this. So you open it like that, and mind you, you should have. Don't forget to go and wash your hands when you finish with this thing, because this is chemical inside. It's poison.